Well, the style of Kaveke as a brand is pretty much pays a lot of attention to small fine details, because that's what drives. It's never the first glance, it's usually the second glance. It's not overpowering. And if you look at the menswear, it's pretty much, it's designed for men who want to be suited but don't want to feel like they're in a suit. So it's very laid down, very down to earth kind of like style, but very classy in terms of the cut, the style. Style is a combination of things that you are. It's pretty much to do with the way you dress, your lifestyle, your emotions, your character. Pretty much evolves around that, and that can be a very personal endeavor. And fashion for me, I think, is a creation of people, great minds. So fashion can either be style, and style can be fashion. But the difference is pretty much that one is created, the other one has feelings connected to it. Inspired by lifestyle. So like walking in the streets of Nairobi, I'm able to see different ways of how people have styled themselves. So I'm always challenged by that. Again, I'm also inspired by fabrics. Sometimes a lot of my collections begin from fabrics and then into actual stuff. My favorite color, and I guess a lot of designers tend to be that, is mine is actually matte black. I guess why I like black is because you can almost wear it anywhere, and then it's still very powerful in the sense that if you wear a black suit or a black dress, it has a statement without having to be forceful. I always look for someone who's going to feel the connection, the love, the emotions behind every piece that I create. That's what I aim for whenever I create.
La música is the drug, you're all that I'm thinking of. I'm all that you want tonight. My feet stamping on the floor, your sweat dripping off the wall. We move and our bodies talking night.
Most of the time, I like to wear t-shirts, and they have to have a good fit and usually very simple graphics on it. And also I like to wear denims and chinos. And for shoes, my preference is actually Converse. Why all this is because my style is it's more derived about comfort, so I find it very comfortable to wear, simple things. In terms of designers not being interested or liking what they create, they design for someone that they wish they were, or someone they see in their mind other than themselves. It also boils back to the personality of the designer. If you're like for me, I'm a pretty laid-back character. I don't like to draw attention to myself, so I tend to wear very simple stuff, and what I design is not necessarily that kind of stuff. When it started, it actually was middle class kind of like, but over the years, because my design skills have developed to be more the A's and B's, so it has now become pretty much people who can afford it. I wouldn't say they're very rich, but I would say people with at least with a good purchasing power. So your executives are pretty much that level. Where I would like to see myself in 20 years, I think that's pretty much 20 years is a long time, but I think in 20 years there's a lot that I would have seen myself in within 5 years, but 20 years I see myself as a brand, creating room for other designers to create their own labels, because I had a tough time developing my own brand using my own resources. So it's more or less like nurturing and mentoring other upcoming designers, because I'm sure by that time the brand will have extended to other parts of the world, and it will be easier for me, and that's a dream for myself, to be able to help other people create their own labels without having to go through the hard time. And also because there will be other products by that time. I mean, I definitely will have a cologne for men under the brand. These are things that I see myself doing: colognes, phones, and also, of course, I'm an accessory person as well, so I love shoes. So definitely there will be other products like shoes that the brand will have created by then. There are no major outlets that are selling the brand. What happens now is a question of coming to my workshop and getting the stuff made for you specifically. So we do made to measure rather than ready to wear. But future plan is that at the moment there are projects that I'm doing, and I'm working closely with some accessory companies. So I'm going to partner up with them for apparel for them, and you never know, this could be the outlets that you'll be able to find. But definitely next year there will be other outlets that you'll be able to access.